Sprawling ranch on almost half an acre. Inside find cathedral ceilings, first floor laundry, central vac, 3 bedrooms 1.5 baths upstairs and 2 brand new bedrooms and full bath downstairs. Just replaced was the furnace and AC. Also has radon mitigation system installed. Attached you will find a large 3.5 car garage, 48 feet deep on one side and 18 feet deep on the other. Alongside the garage is a cement slab and storage shed. Step into the backyard and enjoy the patio and large backyard. A great location for walking to Marble Park. Don't wait, this beauty won't last long.